Hello, Mike here with MatterFix.io, and I'm doing a quick little video to kind of give you some more information about these brand new Matterport Pro2 cameras that we're selling. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with us at MatterFix.io, we're an authorized service provider for all of Matterport's cameras. So we can do in-warranty and out-of-warranty repairs on both the Matterport Pro2, which is what this camera is, and their newest model, the Pro3. Now, when you purchase one of these cameras, the price you're going to pay, you could purchase it directly from us, or you maybe purchase it on eBay. The price that you're going to pay is going to include free shipping and a 1-year warranty from us at MatterFix. Now, the warranty covers anything not functioning correctly with the camera. Say that if for some reason the battery stops working or it doesn't rotate, anything like that, that's covered under the warranty. The only caveats to that is if you drop the camera and it causes damage, in that case, you would have to pay for the repair. But our repairs are reasonably priced and a very quick turnaround. So you're gonna get a good solid warranty with the camera. And then lastly, if you're purchasing it directly from us, in most cases, we do not have to charge sales tax. If you're buying it from eBay though, they will automatically include sales tax on it. So that gives you kind of the basics of it. Now let's walk through what you're actually getting. We're going to send you this box. It may be inside an outer box, or it may be, we may ship it directly in this with a label on it. This is a really good box for shipping your camera in. We recommend keeping it should you ever need to ship it back to us. It's got good protective foam in it, and it's an easy way to ship the camera. So you're going to get the camera in this box, and then when you open it, let's go through what you're actually getting inside. As you can see, like I said, everything is brand new, factory sealed. You're going to get the quick start guide, which just kind of walks you through the basics if you're not familiar with Matterport. And here's that foam that I was talking about. It really protects the camera real well for shipping. We definitely suggest you keep this should you ever need to ship the camera to somebody else or ship it in for repair or anything. When you take off the first foam, you see the camera. It's in this factory sealed packaging. So after it's manufactured, they sealed in this. We most likely will have plugged it into a charger and charged the batteries up for you. We kind of like to do that just as a double check to make sure the batteries take a full charge. But other than that, it's going to be just like it was after it was manufactured. As I mentioned, it has this plastic wrap on. Of course, you'll take that off. And we like to remind people, after you've taken that off, there's little light blue plastic covers that cover all 6 of these lenses. And sometimes we've had people not realize they're there and forget to take them off, and it affects your picture quality. So just make sure you pull those off. So that's the camera itself, and then you're going to get this box with the accessories in it. And what you're going to get here is the AC adapter block with a cord that plugs into the phone, the AC cord that plugs into the wall and into the block. It's your typical AC adapter charging apparatus. And then you're also going to get this tripod adapter clamp. And if you're not familiar with Matterport, the Matterport camera you need to have a tripod. We recommend the Manfrotto 190 X3 or X4 tripods because they're good and heavy duty. They won't collapse on you while you're scanning. And on the top plate of that tripod, there's going to be a 3/8 inch threaded stud that sticks up. You screw this tripod adapter down onto the top of it. You then pull this release here, which loosens this clamp, and there's a plate on the bottom of the camera. You slide that plate into where it's centered, and then you clamp it down, and that holds the camera in place while you're scanning. So as you can see, you're getting everything brand new from us. We warranty what you're buying for 1 full year, and also we're available to help you too. If you're new to Matterport and you need some tips, or if you have a problem with your camera or a question, you can always email us info@matterfix.io, and we'll be glad to help you out. So in summary, we want you to be comfortable. You're getting a warranty and you're getting support when you purchase one of these cameras, and we look forward to doing business with you. Thanks.